Hi everyone, today I would like to show you these 60-pack Durawrite ballpoint pens. Will be great for school, for work, or to use them at home. So, open the box. It comes in different colors. This one is black, super lightweight. I love the design. Perfect. Let's try to use it.
All right. Black pens, super smooth on the paper. 60-pack. Perfect. Smooth writing. Great quality. You can use it for your homework, for work, for study, or you can draw something. Cool. I love the ink, super bright. Perfect.
Guys, I will send these pens for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. Super smooth writing. I love the quality and super cool design. Great for work, for study, for home, school. You can always buy them on Amazon.